In the vast history of space exploration, few stories are as surprising as that of the humble fruit fly. Long before humans dared to journey beyond Earth's atmosphere, scientists sought to understand the potential dangers of space travel. Radiation, weightlessness, and the unknown effects of leaving our planet's protective atmosphere were all looming questions. And so, in 1947, the first living creatures to embark on this historic voyage were not astronauts or even higher mammals, but a group of tiny fruit flies. Loaded into a V-2 rocket captured from Germany after World War II, these fruit flies made their ascent from White Sands Missile Range in New Mexico. The mission was simple yet groundbreaking: to observe how exposure to cosmic rays and the conditions of space might affect living tissue. As the rocket soared to an altitude of about 68 miles, crossing what is now recognized as the edge of space, the fruit flies became unwitting pioneers. During their brief journey, the fruit flies experienced weightlessness and the harsh reality of space radiation. The payload, equipped with scientific instruments, monitored their well-being throughout the flight. After a successful landing, the capsule containing the fruit flies was recovered. The results were encouraging. Most of the flies survived, showing no significant genetic mutations or adverse effects from their short trip beyond the atmosphere. This small but monumental experiment paved the way for all future biological space research. The fruit fly's resilience offered hope that more complex organisms might also safely withstand space travel. Their mission marked the first step in unraveling the mysteries of life beyond Earth, and set the stage for the eventual journeys of monkeys, dogs, and, ultimately, humans. Today, the legacy of those pioneering fruit flies lives on, a testament to the courage of science and the unexpected heroes of our cosmic adventure.